Follow me as I go to the shop to buy few things for dinner. I will be making chicken and salad. This is one of the easiest meal that is so delicious, healthy and filling. So basically I will be buying some chicken, lettuce, carrots and fresh baguette. Look at me, oh, I'm back. I said, let me buy few things. At the end of the day, I bought lots and lot of things. I literally stocked the house. This is because I took advantage of, okay, let me go with you. The little help hobby offered, I took advantage of it. You guys, I love shopping. I love to stock my house. I love to see that everything is in abundance. Look at me. It's not even funny because when we are in the shop, Hobby was asking, I thought you said you want to buy chicken, salad, and baguette. Look at me. I bought a whole lot of things. I bought a lot. Well, a lot of women will relate. I'm sure I'm not alone in this. Now it's time to make dinner. I've washed my chicken. I used 2 plates. I'm going to transfer the rest in my freezer. I will add salt, seasoning cubes, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, onions, soy sauce, and olive oil. I will mix, cover and allow it to marinate for an hour or more if you have time. 1 hour later, I will arrange in my baking tray with rack, transfer in my preheated oven and allow it to roast. Now I'm going to clean my carrot and blanch it. I'll go ahead and cut my lettuce. You guys, this meal is a must-have at least once a week in my family. My children doesn't joke with salad. It's healthy and easy to put together if you prioritize healthy eating in your family. Once that is done, I will butter my bread. You guys, this is me being extra. You can actually enjoy the bread as it is because it's fresh from the oven. But me, hey, sweet mouth will not let me. I will add tiny bit of parsley, then transfer in my oven. It gives me that crunchiness and buttery taste, if you understand what I mean. Now back to my salad. I will add my sweet corn, add salt to taste, olive oil and mix until well combined. At this time, I check on the chicken and the bread. Everything is ready. Serve and enjoy. Very healthy dinner.